Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, the sun is shining, and the open road is calling. Suddenly, your truck lets out a groan, the engine sputters and dies, leaving you stranded miles away from the nearest repair shop. It's a truck owner's worst nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. Welcome to the world of mobile truck repair services, the garage that comes to you. Imagine a team of certified technicians ready and equipped to diagnose and fix any issue your truck might have, right there on the spot. No waiting for a tow, no hassle of finding a repair shop, and no wasted time. Just efficient, quality service that gets you back on the road quickly and safely. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but does it really work? Just listen to these satisfied customers. Take Jake, for example. He was stranded in the Nevada desert, miles from civilization, when his rig broke down. Within an hour, a mobile truck repair service was on site, fixing the problem and getting him back on the road. He says, "I couldn't believe how fast they showed up and got my truck running again. The service was top-notch and the price was fair. I wouldn't hesitate to use them again." Or how about Sarah, who owns a fleet of delivery trucks? She swears by the mobile truck repair services she found on the truck repair directory. The convenience is unbeatable. Having a mechanic come to us rather than losing time and money towing a truck to a shop has made a huge difference in our business, she shares. These stories are just a taste of the power of mobile truck repair services. They bring the garage to you, whether you're on the side of a busy highway, stuck in a remote location, or just at home. They tackle everything from flat tires to major engine problems, ensuring a smooth ride for all truckers. So the next time you're out on the road, remember, a breakdown doesn't mean game over. With mobile truck repair services, help is just a call away. Don't wait for a breakdown to experience the advantage of mobile truck repair services. Visit the truck repair directory at truckrepairdirectory.com or dial 844-888-7587 today to learn more. Ensure you're never stranded again. After all, why go to the garage when the garage can come to you?